Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We react, review, look at, make fun of stuff over here. Today we're going to be checking out Tyson James' Free the Bird. And as always, the channel is sponsored by McClures.store. You can help support my family and other Americans by purchasing quality American products at McClures.store. But today is a Music Friday. We just recorded Tom McDonald reaction. Now we're jumping into Tyson James. I hear they had a little, not a beef, but Tyson dissed Tom in a song. I don't know if it was so much a diss as an open-ended question of what did this stuff mean, but it did put off a lot of Tom fans on Tyson. But if you're a Tom fan, you should give Tyson a chance. Because I like his music and he's spreading a good message as well. But let's get into this. Tyson James, Free the Bird. Free the Twitter bird.
They try to censor me, but I will never cave. And I'ma speak the word, I'm not afraid. And they just trying to herd you to the grave. But we gon' let that bird out of that cage. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. I want my account back, free that bird. They try to clip our wings, so free the bird. Let that freedom ring, let's free the bird. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. I want my account back, free that bird. They try to clip our wings, so free the bird. Let that freedom ring, let's free the bird. Okay, free the bird. Most people wanna be heard. I ain't with the sheep, you can see the herd. I got my own mind, got my own grind. I don't play games, I got no time. Get a safe space for your own kind. Bring the guns out, and I'ma show mine. Need a mean tweet, need a clean sweep. Need to renovate, need a clean sheet. All the delegates in a deep sleep. I'm a renegade that a free think. Need accounts back, I'm a loud cat. Don't censor me, not a house mad. Yo, Elon, it's a couple things we agree on. Now let me bounce back. I heard you fact check Joe. I'm sitting back and I'm watching the show. Give him the medicine, give him a dose. Don't play by the rules and you gotta go. Listen, how does it feel to be hushed? It doesn't feel very just. You open the door and then we gonna shut. Now you wanna play fair and we still gonna crush. They try to censor me, but I will never cave.
I mean, not much to break down, really. It's pretty you know, he's not being super lyrical on this or throwing a bunch of double entendres. It's pretty simple. Elon, free the bird. Free the bird. Get Tyson his account back. Let's do this, dude. Let's do this.
And I'ma speak the word, I'm not afraid. And they just trying to herd you to the grave. But we gon' let that bird out of that cage. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. I want my account back, free that bird. They try to clip our wings, so free the bird. Let that freedom ring, let's free the bird. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. I want my account back, free that bird. They try to clip our wings, so free the bird. Let that freedom ring, let's free the bird. It's a big win for the free speech. They don't wanna hear it when we preach, cause I bring the truth, I don't bring peace. I get it, kick to see lips cry. Get ready, y'all getting it this time. Play sick games, get a sick prize. Y'all slick ways, got a stiff price, huh? We'll ban you and put you in jail. See what you do with that wind in your cell. Now you losing the power, you don't have the scale. So get in your coffin, now we got the nail. It's a cold world when you cap. What goes around comes back. I'ma go to town with that smack. Now we going on the attack. Look, we fighting back and we making the noise. We on the map, you ain't taking the joy. If you want to band, you ain't with the boys. We kicking your can, you ain't taking our voice. Man, we sick and tired of wearing the muzzle, we taking it off. Now we making the law. Look how you babies are taking it, huh? They try to censor me, but I will never cave. And I'ma speak the word, I'm not afraid. They just trying to herd you to the grave.
I think the gloves are kind of off, though, as far as the right being more vocal and not such pansies anymore. Um, so that's definitely true.
But we gon' let that bird out of that cage. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. I want my account back, free that bird. They try to clip our wings, so free the bird. Let that freedom ring, let's free the bird. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. I want my account back, free that bird. They try to clip our wings, so free the bird. Let that freedom ring, let's free the bird.
All right, guys, so that was Tyson James, Free the Bird. I appreciate you stopping by the channel. Make sure you go check out the artist and check out his other stuff. Channel is sponsored by McClure's.store. If you'd like to support my family or other American families by purchasing quality American products, you can go to McClure's.store. And I appreciate you stopping by. Take care, guys.